Hello. So this is a fun lesson. We're going to be using unit prices to find total values. One thing to keep in mind about unit prices is that they're a form of unit rate. We can use these unit rates to determine totals. We're actually going to start not with this first problem up here in the corner. We're going to start with this problem down here in the bottom corner. It says, how much money does Patty need to buy 7 packages of confetti? Well, let's take a look at our price list here. And we see a package of confetti costs $1.14. So it's $1.14 per 1 package of confetti. But we want 7. So she's going to pay this unit price 7 times. We're going to multiply this just like we would any fraction, 7 over 1, and so we get 7 times 1.14. Let's set this up right here. 7 times 4 is 28. We're going to carry our 2. 7 times 1 is 7, plus 2 is 9. 7 times 1 is 7. We have 2 numbers behind the decimal in the problem, so we need 2 numbers behind the decimal in our answer. So our answer is $7.98. Let's move up one and take a look at this problem. It says 1 kilogram of coriander and 1 kilogram of cumin. We want to know the total cost. Coriander and cumin are just spices. So let's look at our price list. Coriander is right here. It's at $3 per 1 kilogram. We only want 1, so he spent $3 on coriander. Cumin is at the bottom, and it's $4. Here's put dollar signs here. Per 1 kilogram. We want 1 kilogram, so we spent $4 on cumin. We add these two together, and we get our man Kevin spending $7 on a whole bunch of spices. Last two. We want to know how much would it cost to buy 2 pounds of silk scraps and 1 pound of lace scraps. So we're going to look at our price list here. Silk scraps we see cost $13 per pound. We want 2 pounds. That becomes 2 over 1. We multiply straight across, and we get 26 over 1, or $26. Whoops, $26 on silk. Lace is also $13 a pound. They're the same price. Why are you messing with lace? Silk all the way, man. It's so smooth. But this time we only want 1, which means we've spent $13. We add these together, and we get 26 plus 13 is $39 on fabric scraps. Last one, 3 kilograms of rye bread and 5 kilograms of white bread. I'm sorry, not bread, these are crumbs. What are these people buying? We got pounds of spices and a whole bunch of confetti and what is this, 3 pounds of just fabric scraps? These are weird shopping lists. So 3 kilograms of rye bread crumbs is $2.01 per kilogram, per 1 kilogram. Whoops. We want 3 of those. This is 3 over 1. We're going to multiply straight across. 2.01 is 6.03 over 1, or just $6.03. Our white breadcrumb is $1.60 per kilogram. That's per 1 kilogram. We want 5. So we're going to multiply straight across. And remember, I'm putting this 5 over 1 because any whole number as a fraction is just that whole number over 1. 5 times $1.60 is $8 over 1, or just $8, for a total of $14.03 on breadcrumbs. I don't know why you would spend that much money. Set up your unit rates, multiply them by the amount of units you want.